Are you tired of generic business building programs that promise the world but fail to deliver results? Do you feel like you're stuck in the same place, unable to grow your business and achieve financial freedom? It's time to break free from the limitations of traditional business programs and join a truly unique and dynamic program. APG Connect 7 Steps to Succeed Business Building Program. Unlike other programs, APG Connect focuses on a holistic approach to business building, considering the 7 steps of the business building block of mindset, tools, skills, money, team, network, and enjoyment necessary for success. Step 1. Learn it. Develop the mindset of an entrepreneur and business owner towards success. This first step is critical for building a successful business. Our program offers comprehensive learning modules that help you develop the right mindset for success. You'll learn to think like an entrepreneur, live on your own terms, identify opportunities, and develop strong business acumen. You'll also learn how to stay focused, motivated, and disciplined throughout the journey. Step 2. Use it. Dive in and take massive action. Once you've developed the right mindset, it's time to dive in and take massive action. Our program offers a toolset that helps you get hands-on, use our proven tool, and become an expert in your field. You'll learn practical skills such as digital marketing, social media management, content creation, hub economy building, value-added program designing, and more. You'll also learn how to apply these skills to your business and achieve your goals. Step 3. Apply it. Integrate and master the art of applying. Develop the skill set required to apply your knowledge to different applications and become a master of your craft. Our program offers a skill set that helps you master the art of applying. In addition, you'll learn how to customize your strategies for different business scenarios, how to identify new opportunities, and how to stay ahead of the competition. Step 4. Earn it. Upgrade your practical skills and learn the art of selling. Generating income and cash flow is essential for any business. Generate income and cash flow with our money set. Our program offers a money set that helps you upgrade your practical skills and learn the art of selling. You'll learn how to create a sales funnel, how to close deals, and how to maximize revenue. Step 5. Build it. Learn to be a true leader by building your team and network to collaborate, leverage your resources, and achieve success. Building a strong team and network is key to achieving success. Our program offers a leadership module that helps you learn to be a true leader. You'll learn how to inspire and motivate your team, how to delegate tasks effectively, and how to build a network of industry connections. Step 6. Grow it. Learn and grow to be a true business entrepreneur and builder. Scaling your business for expansion and valuation is the next step. Our program offers a growth module that helps you learn and grow to be a true business entrepreneur and builder. You'll learn how to identify new growth opportunities, how to leverage your resources, and how to manage growth effectively. Step 7. Enjoy it. Achieve financial freedom and be all you can be. Enjoying the fruits of your labor is the ultimate goal. Our program offers a module on achieving financial freedom and being all you can be. You'll learn how to manage your finances, how to invest wisely, and how to live life on your own terms. Don't settle for mediocre results. Join APG Connect and unlock the full potential of you and your business. Join APG Connect today and start your comprehensive journey to success.